If you want to remove your debit card or credit card from TEMU, the process is actually pretty simple once you know where the settings are. Because honestly, a lot of people get confused trying to find the payment section inside the app. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove a card from TEMU, step by step. First, open the TEMU app and log into your account. Now go to your profile section, usually located in the bottom corner of the app. Then tap Your Payments or Payment Methods, depending on your device version. Now you should see the cards connected to your account. Select the debit card or credit card you want to remove. Then look for options like Remove, Delete Card, or Manage Payment Methods. Now confirm the removal. And honestly, that's usually all you need to do. Now, if the delete option does not appear, there are a few possible reasons. Sometimes TEMU will not let you remove a payment method if there's a pending order, an active refund, or the card is connected to your default payment setup. So, in that case, you may need to wait for orders to finish or add another payment method first. Now, another important thing, if you used Apple Pay or Google Pay, the payment method may actually be connected through your phone wallet instead of directly inside TEMU, so you may need to remove the card from Apple Wallet or Google Wallet instead. Now let's talk about security. Because honestly, if you no longer use TEMU, removing old payment methods is always a smart idea, especially if multiple people use your phone or you shop online often. Now let's be honest for a second, the TEMU app changes layouts pretty frequently, so menu names may look slightly different depending on your app version. But the payment settings are usually inside Profile Settings or Payment Methods. So, to wrap this up, removing a debit or credit card from TEMU is basically open the app, go to your profile, find Payment Methods, select the card, and remove it from your account. And honestly, once you find the payment settings, the whole process only takes about a minute.